So we got some light back here, but it's not quite enough. Eagle Lights has a way of turning your rear turn signals into running and brake lights with our run brake turn module. I'm going to show you how to install it. The first thing you're going to want to do is take off the seat. Because this is an older bike and we have LED turn signals, we also have an equalizer installed to regulate the flashing speed. When installing a run brake turn module, we're going to be locating the rear lighting harness. That's going to be right here. On this bike, we're unplugging the equalizer from the rear lighting harness. If you don't have an equalizer installed, you just unplug the lighting harness to install the run brake turn module. Now, when installing the run brake turn module with an equalizer, the order is very important. The run brake turn module needs to be closest to the rear of the bike. It cannot be plugged in front of the equalizer or both modules will not work correctly. Plug your run brake turn module in. Alrighty, now let's test the rear turn signal function. As you can see, the rear turn signals are now operating as running lights. If we apply the brake, they illuminate as a brake light as well. Reinstall the seat, and just like that, we've completed the installation of the run brake turn module. Safe riding, everyone.